19th September, Tuesday. Look with compassion. And he said, Young man, I say to you, rise. Jesus and his disciples, followed by a large crowd, come to Nain. As they are about to enter, they encounter a funeral procession that is presumably on its way to a place of burial outside the city. Jesus approaches the body of a young man being carried on a bier. Jesus commands the young man to rise, and he does. With great reverence, the crowd praises God and exclaims that a great prophet has come among them, with news of what Jesus has done spreading far and wide. Their faith increased as they had seen the miracle with their own eyes. Does our faith increase seeing every day's miracle in our lives? Jesus responds to the need of a widow whose only son has died, and he has compassion for her. Luke's inclusion of the detail that this was her only son highlights her difficult situation. Without a husband and now without any son to support her, it is very likely that she is now or will soon be financially destitute. Luke's shaping of the story suggests that her sole means of support has been taken from her. Jesus' compassionate restoration of this widow's son may have meant the difference between survival and destitute. Do we have compassion seeing others' desperate situations? How do we show love and compassion to others, especially those we don't like? Pray and practice. Lord, help us be empathetic to the marginalized and the needy, and help us to experience their pain as ours. Be with them and show compassion to them.